Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that GAMEE token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, GAMEE is a high engagement mobile gaming platform, is revolutionizing the gaming landscape by integrating Web3 technology with over 80 million registered users. GAMEE connects brands, gamers and Web3 communities through play. The platform boasts partnership with notable entities such as NASA, Genius Words Records, and Cool Cats, enhancing its credibility and reach. The GMEE and ERC20 utility token serves as the backbone of the ecosystem, facilitating access, actions, and governance. This token not only empowers players but also provides value to partners, bridging the gap between B2C and B2B interactions. ARC8, a flagship intuitive within GMEE, represents the next frontier of casual mobile gaming in the metaverse, further solidifying the platform's innovative approach. GMEE token total supply is 3.18 billion and circulating supply is around 1.76 billion GMEE token. GMEE token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, BingX and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 75% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.